Okay, this is a snowstorm. We're gonna get a foot of snow. And this is Lake Calhoun frozen over. I bet we have to get out there and demonstrate the depth of the snow.
That's how deep it is. That much.
What do you think of the snow?
I love it. It's really cool. It's really cold, but pretty.
What about some eating of the snow?